How to verify and add phone number to Swagbucks. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily add a phone number to your Swagbucks account. First off, go ahead and install Swagbucks on your phone and open it up. Once you open up the app, just make sure that you are logged into it. And then the next step you're going to have to do is go to the answer section right beside the home. Tap on the answer section, and if you haven't already added a phone number, you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number first. Once you enter your phone number, they will send you a verification code on your SMS. Just enter that code to verify your phone number. If you don't want to do that, they also provide you with an option to verify with your email. They'll just send you an email on your inbox, and then you're just going to have to verify it from there. Now, if you don't see these options, what you're going to have to do is click on the three dots or the three lines at the top left corner. And then from here, you'll be taken to your account page. Now, just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left, and you'll land on the profile page. Once you land here, you can just go ahead and verify your account to continue. You can either verify using your Google, or you can just enter your account's password to verify. And once that is done, you might also be required to enter your phone number to verify your account. And after you've added the phone number, your account will be verified on Swagbucks. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.